Safe.
Come and have a good time. Come and have a good time. Come and have a good time. Come and have a good time.
Definitely should have worn better shoes. Why is that so deep? They try to get the snow off that metal thing.
There's snow all over it.
Hey, do you want to hold this?
Oh, it's heavy. Doesn't your arm get tired?
I really should have brought better shoes. I didn't think it'd be this bad. If we walk close to here, we won't slip.
It's like icing on the edge.
We are away.
Oh, that's cool.
And know it don't.
My ankles are cold. It's like they're jet skiing, but it's frozen water. This is dangerous. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Careful. Just send it. Why would I push you?
Bad.
We're good. We're good. That was almost bad. My foot slipped into the hole you were talking about. Ow. Oh my gosh. I'll probably just walk back on the ice. Oh my gosh. That ain't good. Click some. I don't know how much further I want to go, if any further. My legs are super cold. My toes are starting to feel it. I have nothing on. I have short shoes, short shoes, long shoes. I said we just want to just walk back.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you. Should we walk back?
Yeah, which way?
I don't know. I really don't want to die. Oh my gosh. This isn't good. My feet are so cold. So, after walking on that, I realized I was stepping in a ton of water. So we have to rush back to the car so my toes don't freeze off. I love Rush. That was stupid. Why was it slush? It's like really cold. Well, the snow makes an insulation. But I also don't want my toes to freeze off.
Yeah, that one I'll be good.
Now I'm seeing the tears in her eyes. Half and half, make believe, so she thought, well, my heart was on my sleeve.